Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2019 Subaru WRX STI. This one's finished in ice silver metallic, has 17,000 miles, and has a selling price of $34,840. This one has the lovely Recaros, as well as some aftermarket Rally Armor mud flaps, which over the speed bumps, if you hear any scraping, it's those, but they won't come off because I won't be taking them that fast. Powered by a 2.5 liter Boxer 4-cylinder. This thing hey WRX, this thing absolutely rips. And the tuning potential on these, oh man, it is insane. But it's already pushing over 300 horsepower from the factory, so there isn't much to do except maybe tune throttle response and stuff like that. I'm not sure if they detailed any here. They didn't. But not bad at all. So without further ado, hop inside. Let's take this thing out on the road for a drive. There. All right. And reverse. Foot on brake. Yeah, let's go for a drive. Let's not stall it, Jacob. Come on. There we go. The way it hits boost is so addictive. Because I know the mud flaps scrape right here. So nice and slow over these. Yeah, there they are. May scrape over this one, but the STI is absolutely amazing. I drove many a WRX, and I was like, it can't be that much better. Oh, it is. It's a whole world different. You know, and it's not just the more power, it's just everything is completely different in this car. Obviously the dashboard is pretty much the same, but suspension tuning, way different. Throttle, drivetrain, gearbox, clutch, everything is completely different from the WRX. To the point where if you drive them back to back, they almost feel like different cars. Well, they are different cars, but whatever. You know what I'm talking about. Whoopsies. Now this one has been warmed up. I've been driving it around for 30 minutes so I could do a pull, but it is just absolutely insane the amount of performance these things have. we go. I'm a cheat. So you can heel toe in this. That was my first time ever heel toeing in an STI, and it's perfect. Pedals are absolutely placed perfectly. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.